Hey Vegeta, we're friends now, right?
Fuck off.
The best.
Also, from now on, we'll be using code names. You can address me as Eagle 1. Anne, code name, been there, done that. April is currently doing that. Donna is It Happened Once in a Dream. Chris, code name, If I Had to Pick a Dude. Ben is Eagle 2.
Oh, thank God.
A demon. I turned into a raging she-demon.
All you have to do is take a cup of flour, add it to the mix. Now just take a little something sweet, not sour, a bit of salt, just a pinch. Baking these treats is such a cinch. Add a teaspoon of vanilla. Add a little more and you count to 4 and you never get your fill of. Cupcakes, so sweet and tasty. Cupcakes, don't be too hasty. Cupcakes, 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 cupcakes.
Look, let me explain some junk about dating. Right now, you're at tier 1, which is hugging. But pretty soon, you'll be at tier 2, which is smooching. Then down the road, you'll make it to tier 5, where she'll let you discover all 15 feet of her long, beautiful stomach. And after a while, you'll make it to tier 8, where you touch her horn for the very first time. Very special.
What about tier 15?
Stay away from that. Do not do tier 15.
First time I laid my eyes on her, it was the strangest, most remarkable feeling, like
your soul has been given wings?
yeah, like my dick was trying to drill out of my trousers and right into her.